Start by mapping a new environment. Use the joystick to move the robot around. The map will be automatically created by the Advanced Navigation package and can be easily edited and updated to adapt to any changes in the environment. Configure the map to your navigation preferences. Once the map is created, points or zones of interest can be added, as well as virtual obstacles. This can be done through a web interface. Now the robot navigates autonomously between points of interest. During navigation, the head camera is used to avoid obstacles, such as persons or tables. Use the Building Manager to group multiple maps from the same building. Advanced navigation is also integrated into the RViz visualization.